students, welcome to our fourth lesson on indices and logarithm. Today we are going to look at these properties, and we are going to start with negative index, which says that if we have a number, say a, to the exponent -1, the reciprocal of the a -1, which will give us 1 out of a power 1. And you know that a exponent 1 is the same as 1 out of a. Example, if I are given a number, say 4 exponent -1, you can simply write it as 1 out of 4. Or 3 exponent -1 can also be written as 1 out of 3. Again, if we have a number, say a, to the exponent -n, note, any number raised to the negative index is equal to the reciprocal of that number raised to the same but positive index. Example, 3 exponent -3 can be written as 1 out of 3 exponent 3. If you want to simplify further, you can get 1 out of 3 exponent 3 is what? 27. The next thing is index of quotient of two numbers. This also says that if you have, let's say, a number a on another number b to the exponent n, then we can write this as a exponent n on b exponent n. So that means you are going to apply the index on both the numerator and denominator. So a situation whereby we have a number on another number to the exponent of -n, then, as we said, you need to reciprocate the quotient, and that will give us b on a, so that we can change this to positive. Then after that, you are not done. Note that we have gotten something like this, so that will give us b power n a exponent n. Example, assuming we have been given 2 on 3 exponent -n, then we can solve this as 3 on 2 exponent n, and then we can apply the index on it, and that will be 3 index n on 2 index n. Very simple. Or assuming you have been given 4 on 5 index -2, we have 5 on 4, then this becomes positive, and that will be 5 exponent 2 on 4 exponent 2, of which you can further find it as 25, and this will give us 16, and that will be the answer. So that is that. Let's look at some application of this, how to use this to solve problems. So the question says, without using calculator, simplify number 1, 16 on 81 exponent -3 on 4. So how do we solve this? Anytime you are given this, first of all, you have to change the 16 to the index form, but always use this as a guide, the denominator of the fraction as a guide, and it's 4. So it means that which number exponent 4 will give us 16, and you know that 2 exponent 4 is 16. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now 2 exponent 4. And then which number to the exponent 4 will give us 81, and that's also 3. 3 multiplying itself 4. will give us 81. And when we continue, we are going to multiply by the exponent, negative 3 on 4. And again, we learned that for us to get rid of a negative, let's reciprocate what we have here. So reciprocating that, we're going to get 3 exponent 4 on 2 exponent 4. Now this becomes positive 3 on 4. Then we learned also that you can apply the exponent on it, and that will give us 3 exponent 4 multiplying 3 out of 4 on 2 exponent 4 multiplying 3 out of 4. And with this 4 will cancel this 4, this 4 will cancel this 4. So in that case, we are going to have 3 exponent 3. So the 4 is gone on 2 exponent 3, which further we can choose to change to whole number. 3 exponent 3 is 27, then 2 exponent 3 is 8, and that will be our answer. Very simple. Number 2. So a similar example. How do you solve this? As I explained earlier, we need to change this one to the index form, but you use these two as a guide. When you want to get rid of a fraction to get whole number. So since 2 is here, we can say that which number exponent 2 give us 64? And you know that the number that can give us 64 by multiplying itself is what? 8. So we can say that 64 is now 8 exponent 2. And then which number exponent 2 give us 25? And that's also 5. 5 power 2 is 25. Then we multiply by what we have here. Now, how do you get rid of the negative? By reciprocating this. And that will give us 5 exponent 2 on 8 exponent what? 2. And now this becomes 1 on 2. So when we reciprocate that, you can get rid of the negative. And again, you can apply that on it. 5 exponent 2 by 1 on 2 on 8 exponent 2 by 1 on 2. Which we know that this cancel this cancel that. And we are going to get 5 exponent 1 on 8 exponent 1, which is the same as 5 out of what? 8 as our answer. I hope it's clear. It's very simple. Number 3. We are given 32 exponent 2 on 5. So to simplify this. So again, as I explained earlier, we need to change 32 to an index form. So which number exponent 5 will give us 32? And know the number you should go for is what? 2. 2 multiplying itself 5 times to give us 32. So we are going to have 2 exponent 5. Note that you have this, so that will 2 out of 5. This has no negative, so you can easily apply this straightforward, and that will give us 2 exponent 5 multiplying 2 out of what? 5. And of course, as usual, we are going to cancel. This will cancel that, and then that will give us 2 exponent 2, and finally that will give us what? 4 as our answer. Very simple. Okay, so take this exercise and try your hands on them. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe so that we can bring you more. Bye bye.